Hey yo, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day so far. Today your boy Sky has a very exciting token which you guys are going to love. It is low cap, brand new, and also has the potential of 100x. And the token I am talking about is Cpeers token. Now this token is very new. By very new, I mean it is less than 24 hours old and it is doing incredible. There is a couple of big things to come out and that is what I want to show you guys today. Before we get into it though, if you guys are here for the first time, do want to stay up to date with everything to do with the cryptocurrency market, I highly recommend you guys scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video. It is completely free to do so, but at the same time it help me and you as the YouTube algorithm will push the video out to more people. More people will see the positive side of Cpeers. They decide to buy the token, it starts spiking up and all of us make a lot of profits. The best thing you can do is go down and slap a like on it. Let's go for 175 likes. If we smash that, that would be incredible. First of all, I just want to mention I am not a financial advisor, so after watching this video, make sure you guys do your own research before putting your hard-earned money into anything. It is very important for you to do so. Now the first thing I want to show you is look at the website design. It just looks very unique. That's probably the best word to describe it. As you guys can see, the small motion that is happening in the background looks incredible. Cpeers is a token optimized for P2P transfers on the Buyer Smart chain. About the project, Cpeers token is a peer-to-peer transfer optimized token based on the Buyer Smart chain. It mainly allows the erase and speed of exchange between holders. This technology is part of promising and innovative project which allows the BSC network optimization. Each transaction is also calculated to increase the liquidity and reward the holders. The reason they want to increase the liquidity is to actually stabilize the price so the whales do not impact the price as much as possible. Now the next part is how to buy the token. Don't worry, I will show you guys exactly how to do so. First of all, if we look at the project, you guys can see it is based on the BSC network. It is optimized for routing, so the fastest way to actually deliver the token to the other person. It is instant exchange. Holders' economy increases, therefore making more money just by holding on to the token. Easy to use, and security and confidentiality is secured. So that just means everything that is in the token and also all the information that is there is actually confidential and not other people will be able to see, which is actually a good thing because most of the small tokens, it's very hard for them to actually secure all the information and at the same time make sure it is not leaked out by other people. Now looking at their roadmap, you guys can see just in June, so this month, the token and the website launch has been done. The liquidity tokens have been locked for 50 years, so no one is going to have access to them for at least a generation. Now 50% of the initial token have been burnt and also advertising and partnership has been done. So those are the things which have already been done in June, and a couple of things to come is in 5 days there is going to be the white paper release, so you will be able to see more things about the token. The CMC, which is coin market cap, and also CoinGecko listings will be done in the second quarter, and finally the launch of the DeFi app. You guys know the DeFi app will make a huge impact to the price because when more people start using the app, it obviously makes an impact to the price of the token, as the token will be the main way that the transactions will be occurring. Now keep in mind, this token has only been released from under 24 hours and it is great to see that they are already building such partnerships and also have a decent amount of things added on their map, because most of the tokens will have no idea where they want to go. This one has a clear idea, and also the release of the DeFi app, I promise you, will make a huge impact. Now talking about their tokenomics, the tokenomics are very simple. 50% of the tokens, as I mentioned, have already been burnt. 4% are actually taken away from every single transaction that occurs. So if you decide to sell or buy this token, 4% is taken as fee. 2% of that goes straight to the older holders which are holding onto the token, so it is redistributed to the holders, and 2% is auto locked for liquidity. As I mentioned, the more liquidity a token has, the better it is going to be, because the token will be whale proof and it will be hard for the whales to make an impact. Now talking about the team, Sammy is the CEO and the co-founder of the token. Steven is a co-founder, Anna is the CTO, Alex is the developer, Maria is also a developer, and Arvin is the community manager. So you guys can see they already have a decent sized team. 6 people working on one token is quite a bit of people. Now another thing that I want to show you guys is their Telegram. It's actually fairly small. At the moment, as I mentioned, the token has only been out for close to 24 hours. They haven't done much promotion, and at the same time, you know it's a good thing because it is very early to actually walk into the token. They only have 16 members in their Telegram Telegram. If you do want to join it, this would be the perfect time, because if you have any specific questions for the team, they will be very active on there, as there is not many people that are just spamming text. At the moment, if you decide to just ask a simple question, what is the total supply, they will respond fairly quickly, considering there's only 16 people. They also have some information, and I promise you this token will be going up very quickly. Talking about their Twitter, you guys can see they do not have fake followers, they only have 8 followers, but at the same time they are very active. This is a good thing. Even though they do not have many followers, they're still acting like they have a massive following, and they want to make sure that everyone is up to date with what is going on in the background. Looking at their BSC scan, you guys can see they have close to 13 holders, which, as I mentioned, is fairly low, but at the same time it is very early. Maybe it is a good thing that is low, because if you decide to go in at the moment, a lot of people will not actually know about the token. So when a lot of people start finding out about it and they decide to buy it, that will be your time to shine and make a lot of money, just like the people who are very early into SafeMoon. Talking about their total supply, it is close to 100 billion, but keep in mind that 50 billion has already been burnt. The market cap is close to $6,000, and this is the chart. You guys can see the token has been out for less than 24 hours, and pretty much at the moment, if we just look at the chart, it is doing good. Like, it is just having upswings. There is no downtrend. There is obviously no whales, and at the moment it's only the team wallet which is holding on to a lot of token. So the teams are not going to try to sell. They obviously want to make sure that the price of the token starts climbing up. One thing I do want to mention, which is very important, is when the token is very early, it is very risky as well. But keep in mind, if you're early into a token, you do not know, because something could completely blow out of hand and then you make a lot of money, just like the people who decided to invest in SafeMoon very early. Now, talking about how to buy this token, I know a lot of you guys will have that question. Now, the easiest way to do it is, the first thing you guys have to do is get your phone and download Trust Wallet. Once you download Trust Wallet, make an account in it and buy some BNB. First, and the most important thing you guys have to do is you need to go ahead and convert it into Smart Chain, which is Binance Smart Chain. Once you have that done, you need to go to the Cpeers token website and you need to click on Buy Cpeer. It will take you to PancakeSwap. Just click on I understand and click on import. On the top it will say BNB, and on the bottom it will say Cpeer. At this point, you guys just need to click on connect on the right top and then click on Trust Wallet. Connect your Trust Wallet. Once you have that done, just fill in the BNB that you want to go ahead and convert into Cpeer, and once you do fill it in, just click on swap it, and then it will be swapped and Cpeer will be placed inside of your Trust Wallet. Simple as that. As you guys can see, it is a very simple process, and at the same time, I personally do see a good future for this token. Again, it's up to you guys. Make sure you guys do your own research. It is your money and you have to make the decision. But other than that, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys did, go ahead and slap a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything, I highly recommend you guys scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. Thank you so much for the incredible support recently. We've been smashing every like goal. I really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day ahead, and I'll see you guys the next one. I'm out. Peace.